Unlock the full power of your State Farm coverage with this quick guide to the client portal. First things first, let's get you logged in. Head over to the State Farm website and look for the Sign In or Client Login button, usually in the top right corner. If you're a first-time user, you'll need to create an account. Click on Create an Account and follow the prompts. You'll likely need your policy number handy. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your personalized dashboard. This is your hub for all things State Farm. To view your policy information, simply navigate to the My Policies section. Here, you can access detailed breakdowns of your coverage, including deductibles, limits, and policy effective dates. You can even download digital copies of your policy documents right from here. Need to make a payment? It's a breeze. Look for the Billing or Payments tab. You'll see your current balance and due date. State Farm offers several payment options. You can make a one-time payment using a credit card or bank account, or set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Just select your preferred method and follow the simple steps. Experiencing an incident? The client portal makes filing a claim straightforward. Navigate to the Claims section. You'll find options to start a new claim or check the status of an existing one. For new claims, you'll be guided through a series of questions to provide all the necessary information. Be sure to add any relevant details like date of incident, location, and descriptions of damage ready. Staying in touch with your agent is also incredibly easy. Look for a Contact Us or Message Your Agent feature within the portal. This allows you to send secure messages directly to your agent with any questions or updates. You can also find your agent's contact information, including their phone number and email address, right here. And don't forget the State Farm mobile app. Download it from your app store for on-the-go access. The app mirrors most of the portal's functionality, so you can manage your policies, make payments, and even start a claim from the palm of your hand. It's your insurance. Simplify. Anytime, anywhere.